Oh, wow.
Serpents and spiders, hail back, all them spirits, wherever they're at.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, we'll go scream like the spirits dwell. Restless bones and weary lives, rise as spooks of every size. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and quake. Happy hunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moonlight fly on a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight free. Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see, it's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat, till the never gonna have fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. And now, our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along. We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. She doesn't scare you, no evil never will. To see her is to take a certain trial. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for a kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. Is very confusing. A Hepalumperoozel's very sly. They come in ones and twos, let it day, so choose us. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply. The elephants on parade, here they come, hippity hoppity. And then we elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! The elephants on parade! Now, who could that be?
Happy Halloween, darlings!
Why, the Sea Witch. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Rugacum, wings of the Caspian Sea. Laurentus Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, the Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain in me.
Yes!
Unfortunate souls in pain in me.
Listen up, sweet lips. I'll give you all a little treat.
Unfortunate souls, so sad, so true.
Next year you'll be nothing like me.
Poor unfortunate soul. Yes, our team and ambitions are bad. Be
Trick or treat! It is I, Jafar! I'm sure you wouldn't dream of stopping the fun without me!
Why, you're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky! You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie stands next trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey!
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead!
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Everybody scream! Everybody scream! Happy, happy Halloween! When the crystals creak and the toadstools squeak, so out for swing.
just want to thank you for hanging around while we scan up a little Halloween fun. We do hope you'll drop in again for another spectacular celebration. Happy Halloween, everyone!